Here, you sit up here.
I can't.
You could be my tank girl. Come on.
Nope, I can't fit up there.
Sit up here.
Nope.
Yes.
First of all, I'm going to hit your phone and break it.
No, your butt's not that big. Sit up here.
Nope.
Now. Sit up here.
I want to.
Sit up here.
Not going to fit.
Aww. It's so pretty up there. Aww.
Bert, it's cold.
Why are you so high? You look so cute up there. Okay, I'll drive. Ready, go.
No, thank you.
Hi.
You can't see.
That's okay. Who needs to see?
If you get in a wreck, I'm going to go before.
You hug me. I'll keep us on the bike.
I don't think that's how it works.
It's how it works. My feet are on the on the foot pegs. It keeps you on the bike. It's sound logic.
I don't know about that.